Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a presentation using Canva for free. Let's get started. Today, I'll be using the free version of Canva to guide you through the process. But if you upgrade to Canva Pro, you'll have access to additional features. Even with the free version, you can still create professional and impressive presentations for school, work, or any other project. To begin, go to canva.com. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for a free account or choose a paid plan if you prefer. After signing in, you'll land on the Canva homepage. On this page, you'll see a variety of options, and one of the first options is Presentation. Click on it, and Canva will open a new blank canvas where you can start designing your presentation. Let me give you a brief overview of the workspace. On the left side, you'll see several tools that will help you build your presentation. The first tool is the Templates section. Canva offers thousands of pre-designed templates, and many of them are free. You can browse through the templates, select one that fits your theme or purpose, and start customizing it. You can edit the text, replace images, and add new pages to the template. Next, we have the Elements tab. This section provides various design elements like shapes, lines, graphics, photos, videos, and even audio files. You can also find charts, frames, and grids to enhance your presentation. You can search for a specific element or browse the categories to find what you need. Then there's the Uploads tab, where you can upload your own images, videos, or audio files from your computer. This is useful if you want to personalize your presentation with your own media. The Text tab is another essential tool. Here, you can add headings, subheadings, and body text to your slides. Canva also offers pre-styled text combinations that you can use to add some flair to your presentation. Once you've added text, you can customize it by changing the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Now, let's start creating a presentation. First, select a template from the Templates tab. For this example, I'll choose a template. Click on the template, and it will be applied to your canvas. You can now start adding and editing pages. To add a new page, click on the plus icon below the current slide. You can choose to add a new page from the same template or mix and match pages from different templates. Canva allows you to combine pages from multiple templates, giving you flexibility in your design. If you prefer to create a slide from scratch, click on Add a new page and customize it entirely. You can change the background color, add elements, and insert text. For example, let's create a new page with a custom background. Click on the canvas, select a background color, and then add a heading from the Text tab. Type your heading, adjust the font size, and position it in the center of the slide. To further enhance the slide, you can add an image from the Photos tab. Select a photo, adjust its size, and place it where you want it. You can also add graphics from the Elements tab to match the theme of your presentation. Canva provides recommendations for graphics based on the elements you've already used, making it easier to maintain a consistent design. Once your slide is complete, you can move on to the next one. You can continue adding and customizing slides until your presentation is finished. Remember to give your presentation a title by clicking on the title field above the canvas. When you're done, you can preview your presentation to ensure everything looks good. If you need to make changes, you can edit any slide or element. Once you're satisfied, it's time to download your presentation. Click on the Download button in the top right corner. You can choose to download it as a PDF, an image file, or even a video. For presentations, a PDF file is often the best choice. Select PDF Standard and click on Download. Canva will generate the file, and you can save it to your device. Now, you have a professionally designed presentation ready to use for your business, school, or personal project. Thanks for watching.